Finding out about the opportunities in Leeds was very exciting. I thought this was more basic, but there's so much to learn. My apprenticeship definitely helped me become a lot more confident. Not only was I learning what I needed to do to pass the apprenticeship, it was also the day-to-day skills of working with people, being able to work by myself, solve issues, solve problems.
Dealing with clients on the phone and customers and suppliers, which you don't get taught in school.
We've got people doing marketing, accounts, designing new products, testing products as well as manufacturing them. There's so many different skills.
With it being a smaller company, you get to see every aspect of it. Here I can see everything and do everything. You get a good overall view of what it's like to work in engineering.
But there's so much to learn being a manufacturer, and there's always something new going on.
So usually if you do an apprenticeship you can go through the basic training but then progress to do all sorts of different things depending on what your strengths are. To make things and see things that you make and design rolling off the production line, it's a very rewarding profession.
If you're not too sure about what you're wanting to do at the minute, go and look for an apprenticeship and try something out. Everything that you learn in your apprenticeship can be applied elsewhere, it's always going to come in handy.